This Tableau visualization features a donut chart showing total sales across 4 regions: Central, East, South, and West. This donut chart provides a visual representation of total sales across 4 distinct regions, showing a combined total of 2,297,201 units sold. Breaking this down by regions, the West stands out as the leading contributor with 725,458 units, which signifies its strong sales performance compared to the other regions. The East follows as the second highest with 678,781 units, indicating a significant but slightly lower contribution than the West. The Central region comes next, contributing 501,240 units to the total sales, showcasing a moderate performance in comparisons. Lastly, the Seoul region records the lowest sales figures, amounting to 391,722 units. This chart effectively highlights the disparities in sales performance among the regions, with the West region being the top performer and the South region lagging behind.
This jaw map illustrates sales figures across various states in the United States, showcasing significant regional disparities. California leads with the highest sales, achieving 457,688 units, which is substantially more than any other state. This highlights California's large market size and its significant consumer base. New York and Texas follow with considerable sales figures of 310,876 and 170,188 units, respectively, indicating robust markets in these states as well. Florida and Washington also report high sales with 89,474 and 138,641 units, respectively, underscoring their strong economic activities and consumer spending capabilities. In contrast, smaller states such as Wyoming, North Dakota, and South Dakota have much lower sales figures with 1,603, 920, and 1,316 units, respectively. This reflects their smaller populations and market size. States in the Midwest such as Kansas and Nebraska report moderate sales figures of 2,914 and 7,465 units, respectively, indicating steady but less substantial market activities compared to larger states.
This scatter plot display represents the relationship between sales and profit across the different regions, indicated by color-coded data points. The x-axis measures the sales in dollars, ranging from the 0 to 22,000, while the y-axis measures the profit, ranging from the $6,000 to $8,000. Each point on the plot corresponds to a particular sales and profit data paid for a region. So which are central represented in blue, east in orange, south in red, and west in green. The trend lines for each region show the varying slopes, indicating difference in how sales translate to the profit across the regions. So for example, the central regions shows a steeper positive trend, suggesting higher profit margins as a sales increase, while other regions, such as the East, exhibit more variability and a flatter trend line, indicating less consistent profit gains relative to sales. So the overall distribution highlights both profitable and loss-incurring scenarios, with some data points falling below the zero profit line, particularly in the East and South regions.
This word cloud visualization presents a distribution of different subcategories based on their count (CNT) subcategory in the dataset. Notable entries include binders and paper, which appear prominently, indicating higher counts of 1,523 and 1,370 respectively. Other significant subcategories such as chair 617, storage 846, and furnishing 957 also stand out. The total count across all subcategories is 9,994 with an average count of 587.88, a minimum of 68 and a median of 466.
In Go chart, we can note that the superstores have made profit in three categories. First is furniture, second office supplies, third is technology. For all these three categories, we can see that through Go chart, it shows us the furniture brings the lowest profit to superstores, which is 6.44%. Other than that, office supplies also brings 42.77% to the profit of the superstores. In the last, technology bring 50.79% to the superstores, which means that the most bring profits categories to the superstores is technologies such as televisions or gadgets which related to technology.
This tree-map visualization showcases discount data across different states and subcategories. Each rectangle represents a combination of a state and subcategory, with the rectangle size corresponding to the total discount amount. The color gradient indicates the range of discounts, with darker colors signifying higher discounts. For instance, Binder's Texas boasts the largest rectangle and the darkest color, indicating a substantial discount amount of 122.4. Other noteworthy discounts include Binder's Illinois 64.0, Phones California 34.4, and Appliance Texas 37.6. This visualization facilitates quick identification of state subcategory pairs with the highest and lowest discount amounts, making it easy to analyze and compare discount distribution across different regions and product types.
This bubble graph represents the profit data for various subcategories. Each bubble size is proportional to the sum of the profit, and the color indicates the profit level with a gradient ranging from orange negative profit to blue positive profit. The subcategories include phones, papers, accessories, storage, binders, appliances, labels, furnishings, art, copiers, chairs, and tables. Notably, copiers and phones have the highest profit at 55,618 and 44,516 respectively, while table is the only subcategory with a negative profit of minus 17,725. This visualization effectively highlights the profitability of different subcategories, emphasizing area of strength and identifying where improvements are needed.
For the dashboard, it show us the total sales, total profits, and the total customers in the years. And at the right side of the dashboards, we can see the sales by country. It shows us in the states, in each country, how much the sales is. In the left side of the dashboards, we can see the sales by months. It show us in every month how much that its sales has done. And in the middle of the dashboards, we can see the sales by products. It shows us which are the highest sales has done for the products in the superstores, such as the highest is the phones, and the second is chairs, and the third is storage, and so on. So it shows us what are the product is more than the average and what are the products is lower than average, and it helps the superstore owner to make choice to stop paying for it or stop taking out the products. And we can use the sales by months. We can relate it. You can relate it in and shows in which months all the products have make the most high sales. That's all for me. Thank you.